VA loans, tons of benefits, arguably the best mortgage product on the market. Let's talk for a minute just about what you can actually do with it and what you can, because there are some things that you can use as benefit to do year in, year out, but there are some limitations that come with it.
Yeah. It was intended to buy a primary residence. So if you're a first-time home buyer, or if you own a home now and want to buy another new primary residence, you can use that VA loan to buy that with the no down payment benefit. You know, it's not just limited to single family homes. You can use it to buy a duplex, triplex, even up to a quadplex, and, you know, live in one portion of that, but then rent out those others and build wealth over time by actually renting out parts of your primary residence.
But the live-in is important, right? I mean, owner occupancy is a core part of this. Like, you're at least on the purchase side.
Crucial. Yeah. And the VA backing these loans is going to double check some of those things. So they have like checks and balances and how we originate a new loan for a veteran, where we have to meet those standards going in. So if you have ideas of like buying a rental property, this isn't probably for you. But if you're going to buy a primary residence and want to make that a rental property later, you certainly have options to do that.
Yeah, and it's like, I mean, you're buying an existing home. You can use it to buy new construction, manufactured housing, townhome, condo, like all of those are possibilities. You know, there's refinance too with this if you're looking to lower your rate or take cash out from your equity. Those are things you can do.
Yeah, the interest rate reduction refinance loan program, EARL, or they call it the streamline refinance, all these different things you'll hear. Definitely lots of veterans get mailers about this all the time, about these streamlined refinances. I think at its core, I mean, those programs are real. You do need to talk to somebody who actually gets it. So contacting somebody like Veterans United who can help you walk through the steps to use your benefit to potentially lower your interest rate or to take that cash out and use it for something you might need, like debt consolidation, home improvements, anything that might make sense for you and your family.
Yeah. When it comes to things you can't do, though, I don't like, how often did you have to tell a veteran, like, you can't use this to buy that vacation home on the coast, or you can't buy your forever home that you won't move into for 5 or 10 years? Like, there are some things you just can't do with it.
That happens, right? But then you figure out another solution for that veteran and you move on. But in general, VA loan, pretty versatile product for what most people want to use it for.
Yeah, and if you're looking to have like a second home or a purely investment property, like, still talk with somebody you trust who can help you find your options, but it's not going to be this benefit that you've earned.
Yeah, that's totally true.
Yeah.